morning, students. We are going to see the fourth way of life, or the way of in the way how they are searching for livelihood. That is, some took to settled cultivation. Some people, they are becoming settled for cultivation purpose. Even before the 19th century, many from the within the tribal group had begun settling down and cultivating their field in one or two in one place year after year. Means how we are making the cultivation like that. They started to cultivate instead of moving from one place to another place. We said about the shifting cultivation, zoom cultivation and other things. Instead of that, some of the people group, they came with the settled cultivation. Then they began to use the plow, then gradually got rights over the land they lived. Means how we are getting the pepper of our land, like that. The people or the tribals also started to get like that the details about the land, and they started to plow over the land for the cultivation purpose. And in many cases, like Mundas of the Chota Nagpur, the land belonged to the clan of a whole. Means they are not making like that small area for each and every person or each and every family. Instead of that, what they are making for a clan, a group of people, means that all together they are keeping the land as a whole. All members of the clan were regarded as descendants of the original settlers. Though, so if there is 500 members, all of them having the owners of that land. They can't make any partition, but they are the owners of that land. And who had first cleared the land, the people, those who cleared the land first, it may be 10 families together or 15 families together. That that particular clan can having that area in their hand. Very often, some people within the clan acquires more power than the others. Some become chief and others followers. Means how they are holding their power. Who is become physically and economically powerful, that person will become the chief of that particular clan. Others will be the followers of that clan. And powerful men often rendered out their land instead of the cultivating it themselves. Means the powerful person who is becoming the chieftain, he won't cultivate by himself. Instead of that, what he will do, he will give his land on rent to other people. And British officials so settled tribal groups like Gonds and Sandals as more civilized than the hunter-gatherer or shifting cultivators. The British people, they understood like that. Those who become the settlers, and they are having the much civilized than the other groups like hunting gatherers or shifting cultivators. Those who lived in the forest was considered to be a wild and savage. They needed to be settled and civilized. The British people, what they said, the people, those who are living in the forest, they are wild people as well as savages. They are slaves, and they want to get settlement as well as civilization or rules and regulations, culture. They want to get like that. Who said? British people said. Then, how did the colonial rule affect the tribal lives? That we are going to see. We are going to see next part, how the British people, they are giving trouble to the tribal group, or how they are changing their life. The lives of the tribal groups changed during the British rule. Let us see. These changes was very few changes we are going to see. Many changes are there, but we are going to see very few changes. Before the arrival of British rule, in many areas of the tribal chief were important people. Before the British people, who was the important person in the tribal group? That was the chief. And like that, each and every clan, there will be one chief, and that chief, all the chiefs are the important people. They enjoyed a certain amount of economical power and had the right to administer and control the territories. What was the duty of the this chief, and what is the privileges they enjoyed? They are having the certain amount of economical power. Economically, they will be little bit richer, and they are having the right to administer and the control the territories. And if they are having the power to administer, then they are having the duty to help the people when they are in the trouble. Then, in some places, they had their own police and decide on the local rules of the land and forest management. In tribal group, they are having their own system of administration, their own system of police, their own system of local government also. Under British rule, the function and power of the tribal chief changed considerably. The British people, what they done, they changed all these things. They said like that, like the chief can't rule the area. They were allowed to keep their land title over a cluster of village and rent out land. British people, they made like that. They conducted surveys in that. What they done, they made the land in the title of one cluster, and they started to collect rent for the land, but they lost much of their administrative power and were forced to follow laws made by British officials in India. Because of that, what happened, the chiefs, they lost their power. At the same time, chief and all the members, they want to follow the rules of the British government, what they made here in India. They also had to pay tribute to the British and discipline the tribal groups on behalf of the British. What they want to give the tribute or revenue, at the same time they want to obey them, and they want to the follow of the British rule. And they lost the authority they had earlier enjoyed amongst their people and were unable to fulfill their traditional functions. Even they can't conduct their traditional function. That was the situation, and they lost their power. Then what happened to the shifting cultivation? This is only about the chiefs and the people commonly. Then we are going to see one by one group of the people, like those who are doing the shifting cultivation first. And the British were uncomfortable with a group who moved about and did not have fixed home. Because they are conducting the survey, we have seen that one. They are making the land on the name of a cluster, and they want to pay tax. So rent. So here the people, those who are moving from one place to another place, they are not settled in one particular area. So government can't collect any tax from them. They wanted tribal. Okay, one page is missing. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, we'll continue in next video.